Okay, dear students, so we were doing some sequence questions in mathematical induction. So this is another kind of a sequence, and let us see. There is no summation rule used here, but even that can be used even here. But anyways, we are just going for the simple thing now. So step number one is that we assume that this is the proposal, and we are going to substitute n is equal to 1. So there will be only first term in this expression, so it will be 1 divided by 1 into 2 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have this, so we substitute 1 divided by 1 plus 1, and yes, both of them are coming out to be equal to half. So this statement is absolutely correct for n is equal to 1. So now it is the time for us to make an assumption here that the statement is true for n is equal to k. So how do we do that? 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 divided by this, and we will talk in the terms of k now. So this statement is equal to this. So this is an assumption that this statement is true because we do not have a particular value of k, so we cannot be assured about that, no? So that is why it's just an assumption. Now in step number 3, we substitute n is equal to k plus 1. So we are going to have the complete sequence, but one term will be added here, and it will be k plus 1 and k plus 2. So this is equal to, this will be k plus 1 divided by k plus 2. So left hand side should come out to be equal to right hand side, and we have only arithmetical principles with us to help to prove this thing now. So first of all, we are going to use this assumption. I am going to substitute this value here. So this is coming out to be k divided by k plus 1 plus 1 divided by k plus 1 into k plus 2 is equal to k plus 1 divided by k plus 2. This is what we want. So how can we do this thing now? So k plus 1 is here, and uh, we can take a k plus 1 common here, or we can take k plus 1 common, and we are left with k plus 1 divided by k plus 2. So we take the LCM here, and we keep the left hand side like this only. Or we can do one thing also, we can take this k plus 1 to the other side, and here it become k plus 1 whole square. So it will be k square plus 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 2. Yes, this will be the easiest method to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. I could have done the other way also by not disturbing the right hand side and keep on doing work, keep on doing work, keep on factorizing this quadratic equation, but it would have taken a lot of time. So that is why I have just done this. Even this is right. So LHS is equal to RHS. And there we go. By the principle of mathematical induction, this thing is proved. Let us move to the next question now.